In this video today we will see what to do if the screen of your iPhone dims and is not visible outside in the daylight. Actually the brightness of the iPhone screen will change according to the light outside. So if it is in a dark room, then the screen of your iPhone will brighten up, and if your iPhone is out in the daylight, the screen of the iPhone will dim. So if the screen of the iPhone is not visible in the daylight, then what you do is go to settings, go to this option accessibility, go to this option display and text size, scroll down, and there is an option here auto brightness. Disable this option. Now I can go back to this settings screen here, and here also go to this option display and brightness, disable this option true tone, and make the screen brightness maximum. So once you do it, the iPhone screen will be visible in the daylight. What will be the disadvantage is the charge of your iPhone battery will finish quickly, so you might not want to do this one all the time.